Games, prizes, conservation. The Palau Conservation Society celebrated 32 years of protecting Palau's environment with a community fair filled with activities, co-educational booths, and family fun. Children explored interactive games while learning about the importance of protecting the ocean and natural resources. Among those attending was Sandra Pirontos, one of the 10 people who founded PCS in 1994 and one of the 5 founding members still living today.
Ila tungol barra the bedelen kaya ulak na karigidar other belau other beta magsusut delen and minak na other id malakalen deri usbe ringi na bermasis mal tasuk magsusut delen tungol barra ni to pare ringi sakran algedal mat mokran de.
More than 3 decades later, the message remains the same. Protecting the environment starts with community action. As PCS marks 32 years, organizers say conservation remains a shared responsibility for future generations.